Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps freezing on Rapid TV. You click on settings. In this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you click on Rapid TV. Then in this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. We click on storage, and then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.